All right, so I'm Huston Sprang. We're here at the Kohler booth here at KBIS 2025. Really excited to talk to you about our partnership in ice bath with Remedy Place today. So you're looking at our first ice bath for Kohler Company, both designed and engineered for indoor or outdoor use. One of the great features about this is all of the mechanics and controls are nicely hidden and concealed away. Controlling all of the functionality of the ice bath itself here, from temperature to the lighting, maintenance reminders, and really the other big feature that we've added in is if it's installed indoors, we've integrated actual fill and draining capabilities. So easy on and off of the water source, pulling out the filling hose for both cleaning and filling of the tub. First ice bath to do that in the market. And as we looked at this, really designed and focused on the ergonomics of ice bathing here in general. Also looking at where we've integrated a timer and breathe light. So it's really important when individuals get into this ice bath, their breathing picks up fast. So we've integrated this timer that's going to activate the time to keep track, and a breathe light as well into here to really keep their breathing under control while they're in here for the session.